Links can be added as menu items at the course navigation level. Navigate to Settings from the course menu on the left side of the screen. Click on Settings. Navigate to the course tabs at the top of the screen and click on the Navigation tab. Scroll down in between the gap for enabling and disabling tools, and here lies the Add a Link functionality. Please refer to gocanvas.stanford.edu for a video tutorial about how to enable and disable tools. Click on Add a Link. A panel displays in the center of the screen. Add descriptive text for the link. Add the link. This can be an external link or a Canvas URL, and this will open in a new tab. Click Add in the blue rectangle at the bottom of the display panel. Links are enabled by default. The menu item includes an icon next to the link name to indicate the link will open in a new tab. Before moving on, do not forget to click Save in the blue rectangle at the bottom right side of the page. The link will now appear in the left-hand navigation menu. Once clicking on the link, a new external tab will populate. Navigating back to the course. It is important to note that custom links cannot be edited once added. The links must be deleted and re-added to change. Also, links open in a new tab, which is not fully accessible, for the link won't open within the same page. We do recommend utilizing redirects for internal Canvas course content. This may be located by navigating to Settings, selecting Apps, and selecting the Redirect tool. As a best practice, the Redirect tool should be used for internal Canvas course content so it opens within the same page. For questions, please submit a ticket to canvashelp@stanford.edu.